Welcome, everyone. Today, we are learning the most dangerous sentence in the English language. It is not an insult. It is not a curse word. It is the lie we tell ourselves when we are lazy. Watch this. John, the kitchen sink is leaking. There's water everywhere.
Babe, I'm exhausted. I worked all day. Put a bucket under it. I'll do it tomorrow.
See? He won't do it tomorrow. Tomorrow is a magical place where John thinks he is Superman. But today? Today, John is just a potato. John, the bucket is full, and now the hallway light is broken. I can't see anything.
Don't worry. Look, I have a solution. It's practical.
You are wearing a flashlight on your head inside the house?
It's an adventure. I need to go to the store to buy a light bulb, but the store is far. I'll do it tomorrow.
Anna has been living in the dark for 3 days. She looks like a coal miner just trying to brush her teeth. But things were about to get serious. John, do you know what date it is?
Of course, it's Thursday?
It is the night before our anniversary. You promised to write me a letter. A handwritten letter. You promised it last week.
Right, the letter, the very important emotional letter.
You didn't write it, did you?
I have it in my brain. It's right here. I just need to put the ink on the paper. I'm really tired right now, honey. Trust me, I'll do it tomorrow.
You procrastinate on the sink. You procrastinate on the lights. Please don't procrastinate on us. John,
Morning.
what are you doing?
Fixing the sink. I did it. No more bucket. And let there be light.
You fixed everything?
Well, I couldn't sleep. I felt bad. Tomorrow became right now. And here. I didn't wait for tomorrow for this one. I wrote it at 3 a.m. It might have spelling mistakes because I was sleepy.
It's perfect. John is messy. He's lazy, but he shows up when it matters.
So, about the trash.
Let me guess.
Haha, sorry, Anna. I fell asleep. I'll do it tomorrow.
Thank you for listening. If this video was helpful to you, please like and subscribe to help others learn English too.